Good day, everyone. Welcome back to another trading recap. Today, I only had two small trades. I ended up green plus one R around. So on to the recap. My first trade was on Baidu. So all the Chinese stock was kind of gapping up this morning, and I had my eye on Baidu because if you look at the daily level, so let's bring the daily level over here. So on December 30th, it had this huge green day with a lot of volume, relative volume to Baidu. It came back down, but it stayed above the 9 and the 20 EMA on the daily. Today, it gapped up. It was actually gapping up right above this level from December 30th, around 152.43. So it's hovering around previous day high and this important 152.47 level. So that's what I had my eye. That's why I was actually very. Uh, I had my eye on this level, and I was actually very bullish on the stock. So when the market opened, I went long for the 1 minute open range breakup, but I got out of the trade because I saw this large bid at 149. So like, yes, I missed the big move. I mean, this would have been a huge move. I think my stop was around 152.79. So it would have been, I don't know how many R, at least 4 or 5 R win if I held on to the trade. But at the end of the day, I wasn't confident, so I got out. So I'm not too upset about this trade because I did see large bid, and at the same time, I had on my other monitor Baba, and Baba at this time had huge bids towards the downside. So Baba and Baidu, they don't always trade the it together, but they're both Chinese stocks, and they usually, when one goes up, the other one moves up too. So I wasn't sure. I wasn't confident, so I got out of the trade. So this ended up being only a zero point 0.2 R win over here. But look at the move that I missed. But it is what it is. I mean, in hindsight, yes, I could have held on longer, uh, because it was a very good entry and I had a very good stop. I mean, if you look at just Baidu, if I was not influenced with the Baba level 2, I probably would have held on to this trade and it would have been a nice winner. But unfortunately, I had Baba on the other screen, so I kind of messed up on this trade. So the second trade I did was on CCL. So CCL, if you look at the daily, if you look at daily, is it went down quite a bit from its June last year and even from October of last year. But lately it's been pushing back up. And it's actually I would say the last month or so is on a clear uptrend. You look at December 3rd from these lows of 16, and it's been now is at 21, $22. So for me, this is clearly an uptrend. And what I noticed as well is that yes, there's two red candles, but this morning it was going against the 9 EMA. And if you look at the 30 minute, there's some clear buying pressure at this level, around this $21 level. In fact, in this morning, I saw a huge bid at 2107. So my initial plan was to go in at 2107, 2107 or 2102 around this area and sell around this area over here at 2130. Unfortunately, in the pre-market, it kind of went without me. So then I was just patient. I just was patient. I waited for the market to open and I waited a few minutes. So what I saw was after I got out of my my Baidu trade, sorry, I noticed over here that there was a clear support around this level, and I said, okay, well, there was a huge bid over here, so it didn't even reach that bid, and it started coming back up. So for me, there was clear buying pressure in this stock. Based on the 30 minutes with all the wicks towards the downside, and how it was not going down, not even going to catch that bid. So for me, there was clear buying pressure. So I got in over here at around 22.30, and I got out at 21.42, only for a 1 hour win. But look at the move that I missed. Again, I think the reason I didn't held on to these trades is because early in the morning in the pre-market there was these large bids at these $21 levels, and I got fooled by that. And I wasn't sure the market makers were going to come down and get these prices before moving up. But so that's why I'm not, even though I missed most of the move, I'm actually not too upset that I got out only for a small day, a small win day for 1 hour, because it wasn't, I didn't see confluence with the level two. I would like to see more ass on the upside, that ass stacking up, uh, and 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 that's when I enter, let the trend trade. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Small green day is always better than a red day. Hopefully you guys didn't get fooled by level two like I did. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.